back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you something a little bit different. This is my interpretation. It's a chicken cacciatore pasta salad. Yep, one of the fusion dishes at its best, and this does taste unreal. Alright, let's get on with making up this salad. Mrs. KP has already gone ahead and cooked up a nice amount of farfalle pasta, little bow ties, and we're just going to let that come back down to room temperature. Alright, so just cook the pasta as per the back of the packet, or if you're like me, we do have a pasta setting on our microwave that turns out perfect every time. I'm going to start making up my dressing. 1 clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. I'm also going to add in tablespoons worth of white wine vinegar, around about 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper, freshly ground. I'm also going to add in around about 1/3 cup's worth of Kalamata olives, okay, pitted of course. I'm going to add in 1/2 cup's worth of basil leaves. Right, they can go straight in, and I'm also going to add in about 1/2 cup's worth of vegetable oil. Okay, really nice and simple. I've also added in 1/2 cup's worth of sun-dried tomatoes in oil. Right, so we've just drained those off a little bit. I'm going to give those a bit of a blitz with my stick mixer, just like that, and we're going to end up with a really nice, really tasty dressing for our beautiful chicken cacciatore pasta salad. Okay, now I'm also going to add into that around about 3 tablespoons worth of a good creamy egg mayonnaise. Use the one that you like. I like a real eggy one. I don't like it too vinegary, not for this particular type of salad. Alright, so just add in that, just like that, and give that one more bit of a blitz through, and it's going to give us a nice balanced creamy and vinegary, really sort of a nice balance of a dressing. Right, mayo is not normally used in a cacciatore salad, but look, who's ever heard of a cacciatore salad before? Right, so just keep blending that down till it's nice and smooth, just like that. Give it a taste, see if it needs any salt or any pepper, and make sure you're happy with the amount of garlic. Everything seems to be perfect with the quantities that we have used. Now here I've got a little bit of leftover roast chicken that we've bought. We're going to add our pasta into a bowl, just like this. Now this dish is going to take you, I kid you not, less than 10 minutes to put together, and it's not going to cost a lot at all. We're just using a little bit of leftover roast chicken that we had from the night before, and why waste it? Let's make something out of it. So I threw the camera on. Here I've got 1/2 punnet, so it's around about, well, a punnet's 250 grams of cherry tomatoes that I've just cut in half. We can start giving that all a bit of a stir through, get all those ingredients to know each other really well in a bowl, just like that. Okay, so easy so far. Okay, and all we have to do now is add in a little bit of sliced red onion, just a little bit. We don't have to go too bananas on this. It's going to give us a nice little zoop to our salad flavor. Right, really nice and simple. Okay, now we can add in our dressing, just like that. Probably doesn't look the most appetizing, but the flavor is out of this world. So make sure we scoop all of that out of that little jar there, and we're going to make sure we incorporate all the chicken, all the pasta, the tomatoes, everything. Make sure we get everything coated up really nicely. We've got our vinegar, we've got our oil, so we've got all of our yin and yang ingredients into this pasta salad. And last thing we have to do now is serve that up. If you want to chill that down for 20 minutes to half an hour in the fridge, you can, but there you go. Serve that up on a plate, a little bit of extra fresh basil, a few shavings of parmesan or pecorino cheese on top, and there you go. You've got KP's cacciatore, chicken cacciatore pasta salad. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We are trying to get them a KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. And please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn some crazy fusion ideas that I just come up with my messed up brain with holes in it, my MS brain, to make up a crazy new meal, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'll eat my chicken cacciatore pasta salad, and I will catch you next time. Bye.